Here are our trains on our cases. They don't quite fit, but it was a special request. Good thing we've got this big track to play with.
Look, I got my Luke down.
You got your loop down. Okay, let's play.
Okay. The first on the screen was for the diesel. I'm this train. I'm this train. I'm this
Whoa,
train.
he went so fast I couldn't even catch him. He even went upside down, didn't he?
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Crush it.
Okay, send him down again. Let's see if I can catch him. Whoa! So fast.
Show.
Do you love mini trains?
There's something wrong.
There's something wrong.
Alright.
It's about to fall. That's what's wrong.
That's because I want.
Okay, you have fun. Bye, Adam.
Bye, Mommy.
Do you want to wave to me? Bye.
Now let's play.
Let's play. Yep, looks like Flynn goes on there.
Yep. And I think we play right now. Let's start.
Ooh, he goes so fast, doesn't he?
He goes like fire Flynn.
He goes like Fiery Flynn, fastest fire engine on Sodor. Fast and fearless, huh? Mini train Jumbo. Hey, let's put him in your dump truck.
Okay.
And dump him out. Want to?
Yeah, sure.
Whoa, it's a truckload of trains, literally, isn't it?
Yeah, it's full.
It's full? So
Yeah.
what are we going to do?
And dump him out.
You're going to dump them out? Okay, I'm going to watch you. Wow, that's a lot of trains.
Yep, we go somewhere.
You're going to put them back in?
Yep.
And then you're going to dump them out again?
No, and put them on there.
Okay. Only a couple left. You're really fast at picking those trains up. Are you going to dump them out again?
Nope, not yet. I'm waiting. I get them on table for a second.
Oh, we lost Golden Thomas.
Here's him.
There's him. That's an awesome truckload of trains.
It goes like Butch. It does make Butch.
It is like Butch, isn't it?
It does make that or something. Now let's put them on table.
Okay, put them on the table.
Now let's just out these on here. Now see he can go faster. Oh no! Look!
What?
Look, a piece.
Oh, I thought something was missing. Oh. Goes like... Oh, do we turn it around?
No.
No, we don't? Well then, I'm going to turn this off so that I can fix your piece. Piece all fixed. Adam did it before I could.
No. Let's put these right there. Can we have our listers? Need to check.
Sure, gotta have your lists.
Need to check them.
We've got trains everywhere. And upstairs has a bunch of them too.
You want to put Well, I need to sell it. Now, I need to get it.
This one's pretty awesome. If you don't have one of these for your wooden train system, you totally ought to get one. Pretty awesome.
I have to get all done.
You have to get all done.
Yeah.
And what are you doing?
Well, I'm going to mix it right now. Now let's start with the robo.
With the robo.
Yep.
We're gonna
We
check it
have
off.
Mary. We have Mary.
Every time he finds a checklist, he likes to check it off. I think you left the lid off the marker, and so it's kind of dried out now, sweetie.
It's straight out.
It is? Want me to go look for another one?
Yeah, my
Okay.
freak is out.
I think it's out. Okay. Hey, my battery is almost out, too. Can you give one more wave? See you later.
Bye. This is our questions.
You want that in our collection?
Yeah.
What are you playing with right now?
This.
With that? Who is that?
Diesel.
Is he your favorite?
Yeah. And he has 2 windows. And he has 2 details. And he has 2 windows. And a pencil. And a face. And a couple. And a thing. And wheels.
Wow, he does have all those details on him, doesn't he?
Yeah.
Oh, is this your box of Take and Plays?
Yeah.
Do you want to take them all out? We'll line them up together.
Yeah, sure. Let's start with these ones. Look, this one's
Ah, more diesels. Are they all the same or are they a little bit different?
a little bit different, but
They're a little bit different. Oh, you've got a mad one.
yeah.
Do you have a happy one too?
Yeah.
Can I see? Which one's the happy diesel?
This one. It's black one.
Yeah?
We got him. Let's see.
Who else have we got?
This.
That guy. We don't know who he is. He's the only train. We have
Derek.
no I don't know. I don't know if that's Derek.
Yes, it's Derek.
I don't know.
I said it's
He's
Derek.
certainly a mystery. We got him in a bag full of Take and Plays we found one day.
This
We
one's
have
a
no
happy.
idea who he is.
I wonder his wheels are does break. Diesel 10. And like Kevin. Hey, what happened to Kevin?
I don't know what happened to Kevin.
Well, and then in dirt. Then start. And this is the
You like your diesels, don't you?
Can we play with them now? Wait. We need to get them.
Yep, let's play with them.
Oh wait, first we need these ones.
Oh, are those more diesel tins?
Yep.
Yep.
We're gonna need them for our collection.
We need them for our collection.
Yep. Here's Cindy. Here are all my diesels.
Okay, get all your diesels.
Okay.
I'll help you line up your trains.
I need the red go-go car. Where's the red go-go car? I don't know where it is.
We've got Spencer.
No, where's it go? Cindy's go-go car. Oh,
Winston.
here's it. Look.
Captain.
Goes to a good arch. Oh,
Yep.
no, look.
Oh,
Ooh,
that's
Finn.
a tinker car.
Finn. The
You see
Finn.
Flynn? I sound salty.
Look, fire Finn.
Fiery Flynn.
He's a talking one. He's a talking one.
He is a talking one. I know his tinder's in here somewhere.
Hey, we don't have
Here's our talking Henry.
We don't have a
And his tinder. Oh, no, that's Percy. His tinder's in here, though.
If
Christmas Caboose and Annie and Clarabelle. There's Hero. And Edward.
This is your handle. This is Sir Handle.
That is Sir Handle, yeah.
No, we don't have a tender for.
No, he doesn't. There's another Percy and Rosie. Peter, Sam, and Scarloli. Scarloli was our very first take and play train.
Look.
Did you find another Scarloli, or was that Renee's?
Scarloli.
It
I found anonymous.
Yeah, you did.
There's only two.
There's a pull and zoom diesel.
Here, we only
Another
have two.
selfie.
We have only two.
We do, but you know what? Do you see how the ends? One has gold and one has silver. That's because when Big Brother was your age, they had a special Knapford station that would talk if you had the gold colored ones on there. There was like some sort of chip embedded, but we were never able to get one.
Don't have a tender for him.
Let's see, we've got Coldy. There's Emily's Tinder. I know we've got Emily. We have two Emilys.
Whoa, we have
There's her other Tinder. There's Harold.
Now I don't know. I'm missing a thing.
Our one Subway one. What are you missing?
I'm missing. Oh,
You found it? Oh, you found it.
look.
I see. That's awesome.
We find
In the snow, Percy. Here's Bill.
we must open out.
I know Ben's in here somewhere. We've got Stepney and another Percy.
We got Stubby.
What else do we have? I see Hero's Tinder. And another Thomas.
Here's Molly. Here's Molly.
You found Molly. You found Molly.
Yeah. Can we find these?
And here's our... Oh my goodness, he looks so worn. Poor Henry. He's been well loved. And Thomas. Oh, a Christmas caboose with a sliding door. Pretty cool. I see Victor. There's James. There's Victor.
Okay.
Do you see Thomas with the Santa hat? I like him too.
Hey.
Yeah?
This one goes in here in our questions.
Our Ari and Bert.
Yep.
Oh, here's Mavis.
We have
Another diesel. We like diesels in this house, huh? Another sliding door one.
Can we dump them out?
Let's look at the rest real quick before we dump them out. Terrence.
Derek.
Yeah.
Derek.
Thumper. Who's this one?
Oliver.
It is Oliver. You were right. It took me a minute. There's our Gordon. He doesn't talk, but he makes the noises. Our Chinese dragon. Our Percy with the Santa hat. There's an Emily. And we have two Harveys, don't we? We have a Harvey with a hook.
This is Charlie.
And
It's
a
not
Harvey
awful.
with something else on it. A car full of peppermints.
A candy cane.
Those are candy canes. Don't those look delicious?
Yeah.
There's Duncan.
Harvey has this.
Thomas covered in mud or chocolate. Stampy. Birdie. Yeah, I couldn't see Bulgy. Did we already post that? We might have. Or he might be hiding somewhere. We've got lots of great trains.
Oh, here's him. I found him.
That one's Birdie. So who are we going to play with first?
I don't know. This one.
That one. Of course.
You will be this one.
And I will be this one.
Oh, wait. What? You. You will be this one. Wait, you will be baby.
I will be lady.
Yeah.
Am I gonna run away from Diesel 10?
Yeah.
Okay.
I will do this one. I will need someone to move this. Thanks, Mommy.
You're welcome. Ah!
Oops, I fall off.
You did fall off. We need a breakdown train.
Oh, here's
Diesel
a
10 has fallen. There's Harvey. Can Harvey come and save Diesel 10? Diesel 10, make sure you tell him thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Harvey. That was really useful.
Yeah. We can play this one another day.
Oh, okay. All right. Oh, Diesel 10. What if I said out of my way, you yellow puffball?
Sorry from the robo category.
Charlie from the Robo category.
This
Yeah.
can be tennis like a robo.
We could pretend.
Yeah. Let's play it again. Now it's here.
Oh my goodness, Diesel 10. You cleared away with Pinchy, didn't you? You sure cleared the way. Oh good, well you're helping your friends up. That's the way to do it, Diesel 10.
Yeah.
Oh, and you're helping up Sydney, huh?
Ooh.
Oh, I see we've gotten some wooden ones mixed in now. That's okay.
I got Rosie. I got Rosie.
Yes, you did.
Now let's see. Where's my guy?
Where's your guy?
Ah, oh, here's
You
him.
see our take and play Diesel Works sitting over here.
Can we use it?
Can we use it? Sure. Okay.
For the dragon.
For the dragon. Oh my goodness.
Good.
Okay, you sit here and play trains. I'm gonna tidy up the living room, okay?
You want to play with me?
I do want to play with you, so I'll play with you for a few minutes.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna stop recording your trains now.
Now let's see this.
We'll do some more later, okay? Bye, baby A.
Bye. Can we play with them?
Yep. Is it trains time?
Yep.
Okay.
It's trains. Right now, it's trains. Now let's see.
Great job.
Okay, here I go with these ones. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like or subscribe. Right? Thanks for watching. Bye.
There are little doors that open up and your trains can slide through. Let's demonstrate how this works. So this is the Scarloli that it came with.